All right, for those of you that are tuning in, we are about a couple seconds in to the stadium truck, first class. I am not familiar with everybody's names in this class, so I'm not going to do too much commentating this time around. But if you are new, remember to subscribe, like, comment. Tim and I both love to hear what you guys have to say.
Four minutes left. Left.
So 2:30 to go, so Nolan with 10, Don with 9, Jason with 8, Dak with 7.
Two minutes left. One minute left.
Crazy, right?
30 seconds remaining, Nolan with 16, Don with 15, Jason with 14, Dak with 12.
Just so you know, I am the one running in front of the camera, helping them flip right here on this corner. Oh, God.
This is over. Dak to 9, Nolan to 9. by Don and Jason. Race over. Nolan, you got first with 19. Don was 17 for second. Jason was 17 for third.
Brad.
Zach was 14 for fourth.